Good morning to everyone. My name is Sulbha Vasni and I am the Department of MBA from TGPCET Nagpur. So today I am give on presentation. The subject is e-governance. Okay. So let's start with e-governance. So our subject is e-governance. First of all, we can discuss about introduction of e-governance. E-governance is nothing but e-governance, that is the usage of information and communication technology, that is known to be ICT, by the government to provide and facilitate government services, okay, and exchange of information, so that communication transactions and integration of various standalone system and services. Okay. On the other hand, e-governance is one of the very important topics in understanding government machinery and its important functions. Okay. So in this topic comes under the subject of Indian polity and governance in general, studies paper 2 of UPSC syllabus. Okay, you all are familiar with e-governance, right? So next slide, that is interaction in e-governance. So we can discuss about interactions in e-governance. There are four kinds of interaction in e-governance, that namely, one is government to citizen, that is G2C. Another one is government to business, that is G2B. Third one is government to government, that is G2G. And last one is government to employees, that is G2E. So we can discuss one by one. First, government to citizen. So interaction between the government and the citizen, that is that enables citizens to benefit from the efficient delivery of large range of public services. Okay. Next point is that expand the accessibility and availability of government services and also improves the quality of services. Third point, the primary aim is to make the government citizen friendly. Okay. Next is government to business. So in that, it enables the business community to interact with government by using e-governance tools. Understand? So in that, G2B means government to business. So it enables the business community to interact with the government by using e-governance tools. The objective is to cut redundancy, which will save time and reduce operational cost. This will also create a more transparent business environment when they're dealing with the government. Okay. Third one is government to government. So in that, government to government means enable seamless interaction between various government entities, or this kind of interaction can be between various departments and agencies within the government, or between two governments like union and state government, or between state government. Okay. So in that, in government to government, the primary aim is to increase efficiency, performance and output. Understand? Now fourth one is government to employees. So government to employees, in that this kind of interaction is between the government and its employees. Okay. Then ICT tools help in making these interactions fast and efficient, and thus encourages the satisfaction levels of employees. So this is all about interactions in e-governance. Okay. Now next slide is, that is stages of e-governance. So stages of e-governance means, in that we can explain one by one stages of e-governance. First one is one-way communication. Another one is request and response. Third one is service and financial transaction. And fourth one is integration. Then last one is political participation. Okay. So here the stages of e-governance we can discuss with the help of this diagram. First of all, start with phase 1, that is information. Then next phase 2, that is interaction. then third stage, that is transaction, then fourth phase, that one is transformation. So by using these four phases we can observe the stages of e-governance. Okay, now 5 stages of e-government progress. So stage 1 we can discussing an official government online presence is established, right? That is included emerging. Then stage 2, that is transactional, in that the users can actually pay for services and other transactions online. Then stage 3, that is interactive, in that users can download forms, email officials and interact through the web. Okay, in stage 3 is interactive, interact with the web. Okay, next is stage 4, that is enhance, and that government side increase, information becomes more dynamic. Okay, and next is stage 5, that is seamless, full integration of e-services across administrative boundaries. So these all are the 5 stages of e-government progress. Now next is applications of e-governance. So what will be applications of e-governance? First application is debureaucratization. Okay, another one is international services, third one is e-services, fourth one is economic development, fifth one is reduce inequality. Okay, so the application of e-governance is very important point of your exam also. Okay, so e-services and economic development, that is very important features of e-governance, because with the help of e-services we can derive or observe the e-governance work in e-services as well economic development and international services. Okay, next slide is conclusion. So after this studied this unit, we can observe that the e-governance meaning, objectives, features and types, that can be stated that the globalization and the role of e-governance is significant, right? Because this is blessing especially to third world countries. As a result of the implementation of e-governance, all these countries have been able to maintain their development trend on par with the developed countries. Okay, so we can conclude the knowledge is a power and e-governance empowers us by providing relevant information at minimal time, cost and price. Okay, so we can discuss in this unit the concept of e-governance, introduction of e-governance, then interaction with e-governance. In that we discuss some topics, that is G2C, G2E, G2B, G2G. All these are factors we included in interaction with e-governance. Okay, next topic was also learned in this unit, that is stages of e-governance. That is also very important. Okay, so the main outcome of this unit is to describe or to evaluate the e-governance application of in the form of globalization. The role of e-governance is significant. Okay, and the result of implementation of e-governance, and these countries have been able to maintain their development trend on par with the developed countries. Knowledge, power, e-governance empower us by providing relevant information at minimal time, cost and price. So this is all about your e-governance stages, advantages, disadvantages, features, applications, then functions and interaction with e-governance, as well stages of e-governance. Okay, so the unit is end and the concept is also covered in this unit. Okay, so thank you.